Welcome back, Tech Game. I got another video for you. Today I'll be showing you how to troubleshoot your phone if you can't connect to your Wi-Fi or cellular data. So first, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your cellular data is turned on. So you'll do that by either scrolling up, or if you have a newer iPhone, scrolling down. But for the purposes of this video, I have an older iPhone. So as you see, my cellular data is not on. When I press this green button, it should come on. If that's not the case, turn your cellular data off and turn your Wi-Fi on. If your Wi-Fi is not connecting, then that means you have to turn off your phone. So you'll do that by holding this side button right here and sliding the power off. Alright, once your phone is back on, you will go to your settings. You'll scroll down to privacy. You'll go to location services, scroll all the way down system services, and turn off your cellular network search. Then you'll turn your phone off again. Take your SIM card out, put your SIM card back in, turn your phone on. When you come back to this screen, you want to turn this back on. And then if that doesn't work, last option will be to go to your general settings, scroll down to VPN and device management. If this is not connected, then you don't have to worry about it. But if you do have a VPN connected, it's best to disconnect it and your problems should go away. For more helpful advice on how to troubleshoot your device, please subscribe and like and comment. I'll see you next video.